Well, the space exhibit is called Suited for Space. And what it does is allow visitors to see what spacesuits were like, what they're made of, what it was like to wear them for astronauts, particularly the early astronauts, the Gemini, Apollo astronauts, and of course the Mercury, the first ones. And then we also have some other components. We don't have the original spacesuits here. This is a replica of Apollo 11 that Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin wore on the moon when they went in 1969. These things were designed to last in space for a very short time. They were built, of course, to protect the astronauts from the conditions of space, but they weren't designed to last a long, long time. You really get a good feel for how they were used and what they were used for. The Flagstaff, of course, is that the astronauts trained here. Back in the 1960s and 70s, all the astronauts who walked on the moon trained here in Flagstaff. Astronauts had to be within this clothing and to be able to breathe, not to get hot, not get too hot, not get too cold. We're going to have the exhibit from now through mid-June. For kids, we've got a component over here where you can crawl inside of the spacesuits and get your picture taken. And then we've got something like this that allows our younger visitors to really understand what went into a spacesuit and what it would be like to wear this thing. For our adults who remember the space race, flying to the moon was a defining moment of the 20th century, and this allows them to kind of go back and remember that. And that allows us to have fresh material and allow our guests, especially our local visitors, to come up frequently throughout the year and see different things. This represents what we do at Lowell Observatory. We're trying to accommodate families in general. And we have some visitors who are very scientifically literate, some who never have had any science. So we get a